We're here in the Nurture and Healthy Kids kitchen, and we are going to make a recipe today called Fiesta Casserole. Is this one of your favorite lunches and dinners?
Totally.
And it's so easy to make. So let me tell you what we did. We started by making some brown rice in our rice cooker. And today I was feeling kind of irreverent, and I didn't feel like measuring things very specifically, and I think that's okay. I don't think we have to be too specific when we cook. We can experiment and have fun. And so we took our rice cooker cup and we filled it up once and we put it in, and then we filled it up twice, and then I filled it up another half time. So we have 2.5 cups, rice cooker cups, in the rice cooker. And so I filled it up to in between the 2 and the 3 line, just to be kind of silly. And now we have our cooked rice, which is going to come right out of here in our sort of warm pot. Ooh, it's actually quite hot. Elena, should I scoop this out? Yeah. Okay, and then you're going to help me stir. Elena always loves to participate in this recipe.
Yep.
Okay, and I appreciate that. So we have our brown rice. Now we're going to add cottage cheese. It's a great protein source and source of calcium. And this I actually learned through experimentation in the kitchen, that if you add cottage cheese to rice-based and whole grains-based recipes, they stay really moist when you cook them. So this is just sort of a fun little tip. And again, in the vein of not measuring, sometimes we have those big containers, sometimes we have small ones, but this is what we have today. And we've got our beans, which is a great source, again, of protein and fiber, so I'm going to give this to you, Elena. And you can add the beans. Great. Good job. You want to start stirring? While Elena stirs, I'm going to add some salsa. And we'll just kind of add it until it looks like it's a good flavor and color. Maybe a little bit more. Tell me if I need any more. And then we're going to add some cilantro.
I don't think you need any more.
No? Okay. Thanks. Same thing here. We're just going to kind of... And we'll show you the appearance, so you'll kind of have an idea. But again, you should have fun and experiment with your quantities. Normally we have fresh lemons, but today I'm out, so we have this organic lime juice. Normally we would be squeezing limes, which is so much fun for kids, but today we didn't have limes, so we're just going to have to be flexible. So that's our lime juice. We have a little bit of chili powder that we're going to add, not too much. Our kids don't like things too spicy. And cumin. Good job. Oh, I think we should put a little more salsa in, you think?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah, let's go for it. So we've got brown rice, we've got beans, we've got cottage cheese, we've got cilantro, salsa, lime, chili powder, and ground cumin. And that looks wonderful. Why don't we show everybody what that looks like? Then what we're going to do is we are going to scoop this. This is kind of a heavy bowl, but I'm going to take this in my arms. And we're going to have you put this into a casserole dish. And this is why it's called Fiesta Casserole. You can kind of just put that right in there. And sometimes we make this in huge quantities and end up making multiple casseroles, and we give them to our friends and our neighbors. That's probably pretty good. Why don't we stop there? And you can smooth it out. Sometimes we also get a little bit fancier, and we will layer a little bit of cheese in between. So you put a little bit of the mixture in, then sprinkle a little cheese, then add more mixture, then add more cheese. However you want to do it is great. What we want to end up with is some cheese on the top. We did a great job washing our hands. So you can kind of like spread that around. Good job. Smells good, doesn't it? And we're going to cover it with foil to make sure that we retain all that good moisture. And we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. And that's Fiesta Casserole. Super easy, super yummy. And so you can find this recipe and more at nurtureyourfamily.org, or you can check for more recipes at www.healthykidsideas.com. Thanks.